So hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a full in-depth review of Dash 27. I've been wearing this wig for over a month now, and it has been holding up great. I have my pros and my cons. I love the blonde color. I love the color that I toned it to. Amazing. Love the density. It's not too thin and it's not too thick, so you don't look like you have a hat on your head, and it's able to get really flat. My I didn't braid down my hair, so this, if it's not as flat, that's probably why. But let's get into the video. First thing, I actually have notes. Thank you to the owner of Dash 27 for actually sending me this wig to review. It's a black owned business, a woman black owned, so I hope you guys support. I have a code, I'll leave it here and also in the description box if you want to purchase any other wig from her. She have gorgeous wigs. I love the fullness. Like I said before, it's not too thick and it's not too thin. And if you guys know anything about 613 hair or 613 wigs, they have a tendency of being thin. Minimal shedding. I just styled this hair, and this is the shedding that I got. Okay, so it's not a lot, it's not all over your house everywhere, so I love that. It comes custom made, fit to your head. That's another thing that I really love about this. It fits my head perfectly. It's not too small, it's not too big, and as my hair grows, I know that it's not gonna look weird on my head because it's custom made for my head circumference. This can definitely be glueless. I like to use got to be glue, but if you want it to be glueless, all you have to do is add some baby hairs, tie it down for like 5-10 minutes, or you can add an elastic band and you will be good to go. Another thing I love is that it comes ready to wear. So when she ships you your wig, it comes ready to wear. All you have to do is literally add it to your head. Put it on your head and put on your baby hairs if you like baby hairs, or style it the way you want to style it, or cut layers if you want to cut layers. I love that it comes ready to wear and you don't have to put in much work. Unlike me, I toned it and did a whole bunch of other stuff. But love the length of this hair. It also don't look thin. That's another thing that I like. 613 hair has a tendency at the ends to look thin, so I like that also. The cons is, if you're going to wear this hair, I would suggest you wear it during like the cooler month, because I live in hot Florida, and what I find out is when I go out in the humidity, it gets a bit poofy, it gets big. So if you want it to stay flat, neat and nice, you would probably have to wear it cooler months. Like how it's getting a little bit cooler now, I feel like this hair holds up a lot better outside than it did in like the middle of summer. In the middle of summer, it would get really frizzy. So another con is that the tracks, the 3 top tracks on this wig, they are too far apart for me, for my personal liking. I find that when you're making wigs with a 4x4 closure, because this is a closure unit, a 4x4 is not that big, so you need to put the top tracks a little bit closer so it's easier to cover the tracks with the closure, the hair from the closure. And I find like I have to be stretching the hair back all the way back over here to cover those tracks, because they were placed a little bit too far apart for my liking. I know when you're making wigs, you want to lay the track not too close together at the top because you don't want it to be bulky. But with this wig, I find like any breeze that blows by or something, if it's not laid down to perfection, I find that the tracks will show because they are so far apart at the top part of my head to the crown. So that is another con. Those are my only cons for this wig. This wig, when it's washed, deep condition and style, it's in its tip top shape. It looks amazing, it looks beautiful. I love this wig. I love how easy it is to apply. I love how I can just plop it on my head and go, and I look put together, and I don't have to worry about putting down a whole lace front. So yeah, comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do you guys like me in a bit of blonde? Do you like me better in black or the red ginger color that I have? Which is your favorite? Comment in the comment section. If you're looking for a wig company, did I persuade you to buy from Dash 27? Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section also. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.